Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Awesome Codings. I am Ansingal, welcoming you to my channel. I am here with a new video in the C programming tutorials playlist. So guys, if you haven't accessed the playlist, access it now, save it anywhere. Let me show you the playlist. So guys, here is the playlist. All you need to do is bookmark it anywhere like this. This will bookmark it. Here I am in my Visual Studio Code. So guys, in this video we are going to learn about functions in C and how to declare them and how to use them. So let me make a new file here, naming it func.c. Here func.c, increasing font. Yeah, hope you can see it. Then the main basic snippet. Just a second, adjusting the now. So guys, the basic syntax of declaring a function is, let me make a comment here, basic syntax for declaring a function. Wait a sec. Yeah. So the syntax is the type of the function, whether it is int, char, void or anything, and then the name of the function with parenthesis, and then curly braces, and the code within them with semicolon or as it is coded. This is the basic syntax of declaring a function. Now, how we can call them? We can call them in main function to use them as by the name, parenthesis, and then semicolon. Calling a function. Yeah. So this is how can we call it. We have to call it in main function to use it. We can also give arguments in the function, as we can give here int a comma int b. It can be anything, not, it is not necessary it will be int or void, anything, it can be anything, maybe it can be a constant also. And then if we have this here, if we want to give arguments, then we have to give them here in the main function. Anything. Guys, let's make a function and see it in reality. So guys, let me make a new function which will take the user input for two variables and print the output. So let it be func1 int func1, and then parenthesis, then curly braces, and then the code is print, first declare the variables int a comma b, and then the printf function printf, enter the value of a, enter the value of a new line character here, and then semicolon, and then scanf function to scan the value of a, percentage d here, wait a sec, here, yeah, and ampersand a, here is ampersand a, the address of a. Then another printf function printf, enter the value of b, enter the value of c, uh, then new line character, and then semicolon, and then the scanf function scanf percentage d comma ampersand b, then semicolon. So guys, this will take the value of a and b from the user, and then the printing function printf, the value you entered are, then percentage d space percentage d, then comma a comma b, and then the semicolon here. So as this function will take the input of the user for two variables and then print it. So guys, let us call in the main function here. So func1 and then parenthesis, then semicolon. Let's check if it is working or not. Here you can see it is asking me for the value. Let it be 56. Here let it be 65. 55. The value is the value you entered are 56 and 65. So this function is working correctly. So let us check other function which will provide us the sum of two variables. Let us make a new file here. Let it be sum1.c or sum.c and close this. Yeah, main basic snippet. And now I'm going to make a new function which will take the value of a and b from the user and print the sum. So I'm just copying it from the func as it is same, just we have all working different. This will take the value of a and b, and then here remove this which prints the value of a and b. Here simply return a plus b, and then semicolon here. Yeah, here also I'm removing the comments as I don't think we need it here. I will provide you both codes on the GitHub and provide you the link in description. So let's check if it is working correctly. Here store this in other variable, the result, let it be int c equals to func1. It will store the result in C and then print the value. Let us print the value here. Printf. The sum is %d comma C and then semicolon. It will print the sum. Let us check if it is working. Here the value of A is 56 and the B is 65. Answer is 121. It is correct. You can check it in calculator. So guys, this was the function, declaring function. If you have any doubt, just contact me from the links given below in the description, and hope you understand the functions, declaring them and using them. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.